Starting the mock-up process. Got the driver's side front fender and door put on. Got the passenger door put on, but the passenger fender, I believe I'm gonna have to use a different one because I think it may be bowed or something ain't fitting right. Just got the hood laid on right now. Once I get that passenger fender put up right, I'll get the hood bolted on. Just got my trunk, just it's not lined up or anything, just kind of attached to the hinges. Got the inside, got the metal dash frame put in. Just set the instrument cluster up there, see how it fits. Got the steering column put in there. Everything seems fitting alright. Got my 2 HVAC boxes from Vintage Air. That's like that, the Gen 4, and that's the Gen 4, I believe, over here. This is the Gen 2 box. And try them out and see how they work out. So it's July 14th, 2018. My goal was by the end of this month have all this stuff mocked up right to send back out for paint. Most of my goals don't get met, but at least it's a start. So got my rear tires off, had to pick up a parts car and borrow them.